Hello, this is Muhammad Ghaznavi and I have been teaching OET since 2018. So I'd like to discuss in detail about the use of articles. Remember that articles are and the where it's appropriate, and its right use can lift your score toward 400 plus. I would like to discuss few examples that most of the students are concerned about, like when to use article. For example, we do say a countable noun. If it's singular, we can use article "a" with that. If you still have any question, queries regarding countable noun, you can join our course because we have additional support. It's on daily basis from Monday to Thursday. We have a class specifically on the grammar. If you're a student of IELTS, OET, PTE, you have problem in grammar, so join that class. If you are a registered student in our premium course, you can avail this class for free. Anyhow, getting back to the point, countable noun, if it's singular, you can use article "a." Similarly, if we want to specify some information, if you want to highlight some information, before that noun, you can use article "da" with that. And the noun that is countable and singular, but it gives you vowel sound, not the vowel words, but sound of vowel can be used with "and" before that. For example, an hour rather than a hour. For example, an MRI, right? Because it gives you the vowel sound. So stay tuned with more tips and techniques for IELTS, OET, PT, spoken English, lab as well, ID courses as well. So M&M is home for you. Thank you.